Guys, dito naman ako sa pub shop guys. Tinitingnan ko yung aking isang Soyor na Pakistani. Ayan, magsusukat. Kasi kailangan ang total length nito hanggang doon bago idudugtong yung nandun sa unahan. Ayan. Guys, oh. Yan yung mga pipe na yan idudugtong dito. So kailangan malaman ang actual length ng receiving end na pipe. Dito naman maglalagay sila ng flashing para sa hydro test. So okay the squareness. It's not rotated, no?
No,
it's not in the
proper position.
Yeah. Need to rotate, no?
That is a repair coming. So rotate. That is a repair coming.
Doing MPI?
PT. After welding, he will cut here like that.
Okay. What about this other one? It's already a square? It is also out. It's not in a square. It's not a square. You make it square. Ayan yung foreman guys na naka-gray. Yung inspector ko yung naka-orange. Sinicheck na yung rotation. Eh wala sa hulog. Kailangan ng ilagay sa eskwala. Imran, check the ring, Imran. The planarity of this ring. How is the planarity? Looks good, no? No distortion?
Yes, sir.
It's good. Looks good. Before too much like this. Pankaj? Before it was too much. Because after welding this will distort. No?
Maybe 2 mm, 1 mm like that welding.
1 mm no problem, 2 mm no problem. But if 5 mm problem.
Before this trial, excellent. Before already trial.
Yeah, really?
Now picture has. This one is marking.
This one is square, Imran. This one is square. Ito yung ilalagay sa ilalagay doon sa jacket. Ayun. Ayun, may nag-i-inspection doon sa loob ng penetrant test. Maraming mga kailangan. Ayan, lalagyan ng protection yung protection yung
Then I go piping, sir.
okay.
We will prepare. So after piping, we will do.
Lalagyan ng protection yung plants para hindi masisira. Para walang damage. Kasi mahirap ma-damage yung niya pag delicate itong mga trabaho namin. Nakalitan ko itong foreman kasi pinabayaan lang. Okay, you make level. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.